Hi, girls. I hope you're doing well. I know this week has been such a crazy week with the storm on Sunday night. I know that so many of you didn't have power or internet or cell service, and I know that some of you are still there. Many of our teachers are still there as well. And I want you to know we are all thinking about you. We know this is tough. We're going to give plenty of time and space for assignments to be turned in. We will get there. Just really hard right now. We've got to breathe in and breathe out and know that we're going to get there. We're going to have the weekend coming soon to catch up on some things, and I know that next week we'll still be working on that. I want to tell you about something I'm incredibly excited about, and I've been waiting for a couple of weeks to be able to reveal this to you. But on Monday, the 11th, we are going to have a different kind of teaching and learning day. We are not going to have any of our regular scheduled classes on Monday. Your teachers have been great to go along with this with me, and so has Miss Lemon and Miss O'Brien. We have been planning this for the last several weeks. We are going to host a symposium for all of our students and teachers that day, and we will have outside speakers to talk to you about uh, COVID-19, but they will be doing that in a way where in small chunks where you'll be able to ask them questions. It will be geared towards you and what's on your mind. So the beginning of the day will kick off at 8:45 that morning, and I will give you an overview for the day. We have our first speaker is an epidemiologist who will tell us about um, many things, including vaccine development and that sort of thing. We'll also have economists talk to you. We'll have a check-in with advisors to talk about these speakers so you can kind of tell them what's going on. We'll also have some choice in the next block for you to choose between 3 small business owners who have lived through this and have been resilient through this time and been creative in their problem solving on how to deal with this. We'll have a break for lunch, of course. We have a student who will be presenting her capstone project for her Global Scholars capstone, and that will be a choice during lunch that you can tune into as well. We have also a physician from Vanderbilt who will talk to us about preparedness there at Vanderbilt, and we'll end the day with a historian who will talk to us about living through history, because that is exactly what we are all doing right now. I hope this day will give us a chance to have what we always talk about wanting to do in our classrooms, and that is to have an interdisciplinary day where we talk about things that are relevant to us. And I think this will give us all that opportunity to do that together. And I'm really, really excited about it. I hope you'll join me in being excited about it. I want to tell you one thing too about the schedule for the day. This might be on your mind. In the middle school, you will not have your Monday classes, but we'll move those classes to Tuesday. We'll move Tuesday classes to Wednesday, etc. In the upper school, we will just drop Monday as a class day, and you will have your Tuesday schedule as planned with those classes as planned. So I just wanted to let you know those 2 things. And then tomorrow, you will receive through email a document that will have all of the links you need. It will have all the bios of the speakers. You'll see that we have it divided up into short 30-minute blocks, and we are really excited about you getting to experience this, us all experiencing this together. If your parents have time, they're welcome to sit there and listen in if they want to. They don't have to, but they're certainly welcome to. Thank you so much. I hope you're going to join me in being excited about this day. I can't wait. I think this is going to be a really meaningful opportunity for all of us. So thanks so much. I hope you have a good evening. See you later.